Oh my goodness. Blizzard Part 2, 2010. Now there used to be some candy canes over there, and we can't even see it. And then off in the far distance, you may see a car trying to go up the hill. I don't know where they think they're going. But they're not going. I wish I could zoom in better. Oh my goodness. Can you see this crap? All that digging out, and I gotta dig out again. Look at the wind. The hell? I want spring to come, that damn gopher. That damn gopher, he saw his shadow. We got 6 more weeks. Oh my God. Actually, that was February 2nd. Oh, we got about 4 more weeks. Oh, look at that. I guess that's what they mean by whiteout condition. And why does this person think they're going anywhere? They need to get back in their car and go back home, unless it's an emergency. And unfortunately, I cannot get out to see what the deal is. Otherwise, that would help them. Oh my goodness. Look at this. This is ridiculous. I can't take it no more. I can't take it no more. Oh. The icicles hanging off my awning. Look at that. They were not kidding. And then I understand we're supposed to get some more snow over the weekend. I think next Monday, actually, which still is a weekend because it's President's Day. Oh, man. And there's somebody out. Look like they're getting ready to do some shoveling. Maybe they're going to go help the person out. If they can walk over there. Maybe they can get there. It's not that deep. So maybe they'll walk up there and try to help them. This is crazy. Oh my goodness. There's a truck going up that hill. Will I help them? No, they went right by. Wow. They must have an emergency or something. You know what? I don't think the federal government's going to be open for the rest of this week. Oh, there's a Jeep down there. There's a Jeep down there. I would open the door, but the wind is blowing, and I have nothing on. Well, I do have something on, but not enough to protect myself from the cold. They got their lights on. I guess they're just waiting for the wind to stop, I guess. Or maybe they're waiting for somebody to come out. Oh my goodness. Look at that wind. Oh. This is the worst winter I have ever seen in DC, my 30 plus years of living in DC or Maryland, you know, this is wild. Oh my goodness. And these icicles. They may have to let Nico use a litter box. He would get lost. He doesn't like snow. It's too cold. He don't like it on his feet. He sure enough isn't going to like the cold blowing on his butt. Goodness. And the car is still over there. Oh my God, you just can't see them. Oh my God. This is one of those times where you feel truly blessed to be able to have a place where you can lay your head, stay warm, and just feel blessed. I see a bird over there on a branch. There you go, he went up. How do the animals deal with this? This is crazy. Wow. Thank you, Heavenly Father, for allowing me to have the ability to get a good paying job. Keep my credit good enough to get a house and be able to afford the house. Thank you for me having good sense not to get more than what I can afford. You know, sometimes you want more than you have or more than you should get because it, you know, looks nice, it's better, it's newer or whatever reason, but I'm just glad to be able to have. Alright, kids. This is one snow I'm not going out to play out in. Ooh, look at that. Oh my goodness. And then that car is still out there. They're trying to get out. They rolled back down the hill. They're trying to get out. They must have an emergency. I'm going to pray for them. They really shouldn't be out in this. They really shouldn't be out in this. They don't have the ability to get out of the neighborhood. Why do they think they're going to be able to drive? Pray, y'all. Pray for all those that are out in this or have to be out in this.